Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving a PASCAT question based upon quadratic equations. So the question is, the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two roots 4a and 3a, where a is an integer. Which of the following is a possible value of b square plus c? So we have been given two roots of this quadratic equation. We need the value of b square plus c. So if I find out the sum of roots here, sum of roots of a quadratic equation, for example, if I have a quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then sum of roots, it is minus b upon a, okay? Minus b, that means this coefficient of x minus b upon a. Product of roots is c upon a, okay? So if we do the same over here, sum of roots will be 4a plus 3a, that means 7a. 7a will be equal to minus b upon a here is 1, okay? Because if you compare this equation with a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a is 1 over here. So that's it. This is the sum of roots. I am getting b equal to minus 7a, okay? Then product of roots will be 4a into 3a, that means 12a square, that will be equal to c upon a. So c is c over here, a is again 1, so I am getting c equal to 12a square. So c equal to 12a square. I need to find out the value of b square plus c, okay? So b square will be minus 7a square, that means 49a square, plus c will be 12a square, which will give me 61a square. We are given that a is an integer, okay? So now I will compare the value of b square plus c with all the options. If I compare it with 3721, I will be getting a square equal to 61, okay, which will give me a equals to root 61, which is not an integer value. So a is not an integer, we cannot take this option. Second option, 61a square will be equal to 361. So when you solve this, you will be getting a square equal to 5 point something, okay? If you find out the square root of this, a will not be an integer, so even option b is not possible. If we come to the third option, 61a square must be equal to 427. I will be getting a square equal to 7. A will be root 7, which is not an integer. Even this cannot be the answer. Last one is 61a square will be equal to 549. A square will be equal to 9. Hence I can say that yes, a can have values plus minus 3. So in this case, a is having an integer value. Option D will be the correct answer, okay? So this was an easy question. I hope the explanation was understood. If you have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.